back at the Minion claw machine. It looks really good today. There's a bunch of unicorns, which are the easiest Despicable Me's to win. And he put more minions in here, so we'll see if we can win any. This one over here. Ooh. Almost. Let's go for this Despicable Me unicorn over here. Oh, nope. I missed it. Unless it... ooh. Close. I feel like right there. Oh, come on. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. I should have it. Yes, perfect grab on the unicorn. Nice. They're like one of the easiest ones to win, so... Nope. Ooh, what if I could hook in his overall? I bet I could hook a bunch of these in their overall. On the wall here. Oh, shoot. Ooh. Close. Let's see if we can hook that. Nope. Oh, that might have it though. Come on. Oof, that was close. Sorry, this black bar got in the way. Let's try one more for that unicorn. Let's try that. Wow, it might still grab it. Oof. It's close. Like right there. Oh, that's perfect. Come on, grab. Yes, stay in there. Unicorn. Oh, yes, barely got it. Wow. Nice, 2 unicorns. Maybe we can get this minion too. We'll see. Last time it seemed like there was more purple ones in here. Now it seems like there's more yellow. Not really sure which ones I like more, the yellow ones or purple ones. I think the yellow ones are maybe a little bit easier ones. The 2 and 1-eyed ones are a little bit easier. Win, but we'll see. Ooh, perfect. Nope. Slip out. Especially Towne. Oh, there we go. That might be gettable. This one or 2. Oh, it's in the loop, come on. Oh, 2 and 1. 2 and 1, stay. 2 and 1, nice, 2 and 1 at the claw. Oh, that almost fell out. Oh, that was close. Switch for it to run all the time. Maybe if it grabs it by the hat. Oh, no. I'm not sure if that Yosemite's gettable. Let's try that. And pull him off the wall. Come on. Oh, thought I did. Oh, God. First try. Nice. Good Spider-Man. Oh. See if I can get this Gumby off. So I can hook on this. Oh, wait, hold on. Yes, there. So, let's try that. Come on, get him off. Yes, oh, Gumby, first try. Heck yeah. Nice. Oh, there's a horse right here. Too, I want that horse. For this horse. I can get a quick run because I gotta leave soon, so. Come on. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Oh, stay. It's 2 in a row. Nice. 2 in a row, Gumbies. Stay. Oh, nice. 2 in a row. Sweet. Maybe. I don't know. No, some of them are too heavy, so I don't know. Let's see if we can get this Gumby and then done. Oh, maybe. No way. Please grab. Yes, I got him. Stay. Please stay. Please stay. Yes, I'm done. Alright. Alright, let's try for this frog, actually. Let's go for this frog thing. I should have it. Stay. Nice, got the frog thing, I guess. Let's go for the snake. Maybe. Stay. Oh. See, I think he has a loop. Yeah, he does. See if we can hook him that loop or something. Oh, there it is. I hooked it in the loop. It's gonna drop it right there. That should be a first try, first win. Yep. Oh, by the chin. Nice. I guess I didn't even have to hook it by the loop. Let's see what this has. It's kind of farther back than I expected. We'll see. I doubt it. Oh, clamp though. Oh, no. Let's try that. Oh, 2 and 1. Last try. Oh, wow. I actually got 2 and 1. Nice. Let's try. Sweet.